Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March 22nd, 2019. Your source of news before any trade decision. We're going to talk about Cardano paired against USD. You can see it's up 9.5% right now. The last time we did our video was on the 21st of March, and we told you that Cardano had to trade above 0.052 in order for us to see continuation high prices, and that's exactly how the market has been trading since then. Before I get into our previous price movement expectation for Cardano, we definitely want to remind you all to continue to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you go ahead and like and share the content, because as you can tell, our analysis is quite simple to understand and it's not complicated. We're simply here to tell you what we expect these price movements to do in the cryptocurrency space. So make sure that you go ahead and continue to like and share. And as well, we do have a Patreon service to where we are allowing our members to get access to our top 10 altcoins paired against BTC. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you go ahead and click on that link in the description of the video, and you can sign up there in order to get that type of analysis. So now let's go ahead and break this chart down to the 1 hour time frame. And as you can tell, this is when we did our video for Cardano last, and we told you that we were seeing some weakness coming to the market. It was during this particular time we did our video, and we said that there was weakness coming into the market. We were expecting Cardano to move lower, and this was this indication to where the market completely dumped in its space. But as you can tell right here on that 0.52 price level, we told you that Cardano could not break below it on the close, and even on these massive down bars here, the market recovered quite nicely immediately to close above this 0.52. We understood that that 0.52 area was a very crucial support spot for Cardano to bounce and try to maintain trading above. And that's exactly how this particular chart is showing you. So understand that charting and reading price charts is relatively easy. You just need to take time and opportunity to see what is being displayed in order to understand what's likely to occur. And that's why we're seeing this massive movement to the upside right now in Cardano. Okay, let's go ahead and look at it on a wider scale to see how high we can see Cardano trade in the future. So here we are looking at on the weekly time frame. The market has already came to that 6 cents price, because during the weeks of the 10th of September as well as the 17th of September, the market rested as support, and we were breaking below it on these 2 weeks right here. So now I will be expecting some resistance to come in at that particular price for Cardano. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and extend this a little bit further, because this is going to be displayed as our resistance area in the market going forward. Daily time frame for Cardano, again, you can see stockpile is coming to the market. We just drawn this descension line. It might actually go to 6.5 cents for Cardano once everything is all said and done. And take note that we haven't seen this much volume come into the space for Cardano ever since the 21st of December 2018. So again, everyone who bought Cardano at this particular range is definitely trying to minimize their losses in this particular cryptocurrency, and they're taking profits, the ones who bought down here around the 2 cent price. So we are seeing some stockpile coming to the market right now in Cardano, but the true strength in this coin is one of strength. So the movement to the upside long term is still there. I'm seeing that 6 cents, possibly 6.5 cent price now being the area of resistance. Moving it into a 3 hour time frame, you still can tell that we are seeing some resistance coming to the market. So the current move is one of weakness, but I'm not too worried right now that we're going to see a severity movement to the downside. So expect the market in Cardano just to do some consolidation of trading, just like I did in my last video. If it's able to trade above that 0.0575 price level, the market in Cardano is maintaining its strength. Okay. Ultimately, I can see the market trying to move a little bit lower to the downside, but the ultimate price is still at that point, that 5.5 cent price right here, 0.0555. The market cannot break below that once we see this weakness really come into the market. But I don't see a lot of weakness coming in right now. It is weak in the current move, so the anticipation in the short term, meaning the next couple of hours, will be for Cardano to move lower. Pay attention to this 0.057 or even right there, this 0.056 price level. Okay, be on the lookout for Cardano to try to hit one of those levels, and if we don't see any strength, we will continue to move to the downside. But as of right now, the move is to the downside. I'm expecting to move lower. I identified some support areas for Cardano to maintain, and if it doesn't, then we will continue to move a lot lower in price throughout today's trading day, going into tomorrow as well. So that's our analysis for Cardano. Relatively simple and easy to understand. Be on the lookout for strength to try to come in at that 0.057 or even right here around that 0.056 price level. That is our analysis for Cardano. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.